Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make this beautiful lacy vest. This is short vest, dear friends. Let me show you like this. You can wear it in summertime, spring and autumn time. It is very suitable. You can wear it on your t-shirts, on your summer dresses. It's very fashionable and the pattern is also very easy. I use cotton yarn for this project. Standard summer cotton yarn, standard usual cotton yarns are okay for this. You don't need a special yarn. And I am using 3.5 millimeters hook. That's all what we need for this project. We are starting from the back side, dear friends. Let me turn it to the back for you. This is the back side. We are starting from the shoulder top here. These chains are the starting, and then we are coming down. Later on I will tell you step by step what we are going to do. I have also another video. It is a long cardigan, long sleeves cardigan, long skirt also. You can also have a look at it if you want to make a cardigan, summer cardigan with the same pattern. I started with 48 centimeters of chains, dear friends. I didn't count the chains. I measured it from my shoulder top, right side to left side. And according to my size, it is 48 centimeters. So I made chains as I reach up to the 48 centimeters. This vest is suitable for size medium, large and extra large. If you have different size, I advise you to measure it from your right top shoulder to another left top shoulder. Let me show it to you on a picture like this. This is back side. I'm taking a tape measure in my hand and I am measuring from one shoulder to another. At the back side we are measuring. You can ask someone in your house to measure it for you at your back. It will be better. I measured it like this from one shoulder to another. Now we are starting making chains as we reach up to the 48 centimeters, dear friends. This time I'm going to use this color. This is 100 gram cotton yarn, dear friends. 100 cotton yarn is nearly okay for this project. We are starting by making slip knot. Okay, slip knot is okay. Now we are going to go making chains as we reach up to the 48 centimeters. As you see, I'm not counting the chains because the size of the chain is important for me, not the number of the chains. Like this, we are making chains as we reach up to 48 centimeters. Like this, dear friends. Yes, I made 48 centimeters, dear friends. I measured it with this tape measure. We make chains from here to other side. These chains are our first starting chains. Now we are going to make this pattern from here. Our first pattern we are going to make. Later on we are going to make firstly the back side. We are going to make it all the end of the armpit here. We are starting. I will show you how we are going to make this pattern, and again we are going to make till the armpit. I will tell you how many rows we are going to make. I just wanted to tell you what we are going to do now. Okay, dear friends, let's start. After making 48 centimeters of chains like this, of course you are measuring it with tape measurement. Now we are making 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3. I'm keeping the chain 48 because I will insert my hook in there, and one moment. Yes, like this I am inserting my hook in the 48th chain, and in this chain I am making a double crochet. Now I am making one chain and inserting my hook in the same chain space, making 2 more double crochet. This is 1 and this is 2. Let me show you the pattern. Like this, 2 double crochet here in the right side, considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet. We made 1 chain in the middle and then we made 2 more double crochet. Now we are making 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over. Now I am going to skip 7 chains. We are going to count the chains. Let's count together. We are counting these stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. We are skipping all 7, and in the 8th one here we are inserting our hook like this, inserting our hook. Now we are going to make the same. First of all we are going to make 2 double crochet. This is double crochet 1 and this is double crochet 2, making 1 chain, yarn over. We are inserting our hook in the same chain space and making 2 more double crochet in this space. Yes, like this. We made 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet. Now we are making 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again we are counting the chains. 7 chains we are going to skip. Let's count again together. Look, we are counting these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are skipping this and inserting our hook in the 8th one here. I am making yarn over and inserting my hook in this stitch, here. In this stitch, this is 8th stitch, I am making 2 double crochet firstly. This is 1, this is 2, making 1 chain and inserting my hook in the same space, making 2 more double crochet like this. Let me show you. It's been like this, dear friends. 1, 2, 3 pattern we made. Let's once again with you. 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skipping 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am skipping, inserting my hook in the 8th one. I am making yarn over, inserting my hook in the following 8th chain, and first of all making 1 double crochet like this, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space, making 1 more double crochet, making one chain and making 2 more double crochet. This is 1 and this is 2. Like this we are coming to the end of the chain, dear friends. This is the back side of the vest. Let me tell you how many pattern we are going to make. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Totally 12 pattern we are going to make this, dear friends. Now we made 1 2 3 4. It will be totally 12. Let's complete this pattern 12 and let's finish this row as I explained to you. I finished the first row. Let's count together how many pattern I made. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, let's measure like this. Okay, we finished the first row. Now I am going to show you what we are going to do in the second row. We are turning back, making a slip stitch in the following stitch, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. Now inserting my hook in the center and making another slip stitch. We are now in the center, making 3 chains, 1 2 3, yarn over, making a double crochet, 1 chain, inserting my hook in the same space and making 2 double crochet. Like this. 5 chains. 1 2 3 4 and 5, yarn over. Between these pattern we are always making 5 chains, 5 here, 5 chains here, 5 chains here, always 5 chains we are going to make. Yarn over, inserting my hook in the following pattern and first of all making 2 double crochet, 1 chain, inserting my hook in the same stitch, making 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2, making 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, yarn over, going to the following pattern, inserting my hook in the center. Firstly I am making 2 double crochet, inserting my hook in the same stitch, making the second. Now I am making 1 chain, inserting my hook in the same stitch, and I am making 2 more double crochet. And like this we are coming to the end of this row, dear friends. Let me show you. We made here like this. We are coming to the end in the same way. Let's finish the second row as well. I came to the end of the second row as well. It's been like this. Once again, shortly I'm going to show you how we are going to go to the upper row. In order to go to the upper row, firstly we are turning back and then we are going to the first stitch, first following stitch, and making a slip stitch, and we are going to the center of the first pattern and making another slip stitch. Now we are making 3 chains, 1 2 and 3, yarn over, inserting our hook in the same space, making a double crochet. Considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet, now we have 2 double crochet in the center. I'm making 1 chain, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same space and making 2 more double crochet. This is 1 double crochet and this is the second double crochet. As I told you before, always in this space we are making 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over, and I am making the same pattern. I mean inserting my hook in the center of this pattern, following pattern, making 2 double crochet firstly, making 1 chain and making 2 more double crochet. This is 1 and this is 2, and making 5 and going to the center of this, and like this it's going on in the same way. Yes, dear friends, as I explained to you, we are coming to the end of this row. Meanwhile, I'm going to tell you how many rows we need to go on like this. One moment. This is again the back side of the vest. I counted from here. This is the first, this is here. This is the first pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, I counted till the armpit here. Here, till this pattern, I counted. It is totally 20 rows, dear friends. I mean, when we complete 20 rows again and again, we are going to make the same thing. Now we are in the third row. Like this, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be totally 20, dear friends. For this reason, first of all, you are going to finish the third row, and then 4, 5, 6, 7. You are going to complete it till you finish the 20 row. When you finish the 20 row, that means you came to the armpit space, and I will going to explain you what we are going to do after 20 rows. Okay, first of all, let's complete this 20 rows. I finished 20 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and this is 20. Now I am at the end of this row. What I am doing, I am making 1 chain and I am cutting the row like this. Half of the back side is finished. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make 2 front parts, one here and the second here. We will make the size of the front parts in the same size with the back. I mean, let me explain you. We are going to make front part here in the same length of the back, and also we are going to crochet front part from here in the same length of the back part. Later on, I am going to connect that. I will explain you later on. First of all, I should tell you what we are going to do for the front parts. We started here with these chains. I'm turning to the back side. 1, 2, 3 pattern I'm going to crochet for one of the front parts. Let me show you with the other color. Look, like this. Like this. Started here. We are going to make this front part. Like this, friends. We are going to crochet this front part till here. Later on we will connect the back part and front part, and we will go on crocheting the whole in one row. But first of all, we are going to finish this here till the armpit, and then we are going to crochet the other. This is the front side, and this is the chain that we start. I am taking my yarn in my hand again. First of all, I am making a slip knot. Pulling, and from the beginning I am starting. I am inserting my hook here in this space. First of all, I am making a yarn over, inserting my hook in the first space here, yarn over, pull through. I am making a double crochet like this. This is one double crochet, inserting my hook in the same space, making the second double crochet, making one chain, inserting my hook in the same space, and making 2 more double crochet. This is 1 and this is 2. I am making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over. I am going to the following pattern, inserting my hook in there, here, making 1 double crochet, making second double crochet, and making 1 chain, making 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2, making 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inserting my hook in the third pattern, inserting my hook in there, and making 1 double crochet, second double crochet, 1 chain, and making 2 more double crochet in the same space. Let me show you. It's been like this, dear friends. Yes, we finished the first row. Now we are going to make the second row. I want to show you one point. For the front part, there is one point that I express you. We made the first row like this, and when we start the second row, we have to increase at the beginning. As you see, we have to increase in order to get this V shape. How we are going to do the second row? We are turning back. First of all, I am coming to the center by making slip stitches like this. 1 slip stitch here, second slip stitch here, like this. I am making 1, 2, 3 chains. I am considering these 3 chains as the first double crochet. Now I am making another double crochet in the same space like this, making 1 chain, and I am making 2 more double crochet. It is 1 and it is 2, making 1 chain, because we are going to make the increasing. We are making 1 more double crochet in here. We made the increasing, dear friends, like this. We are making the increasing only the front side, to our breast side, not in the arm space side. In the arm space side, we are crocheting what we did in the back side, but till our breast side, in order to get the V shape, we have to increase, dear friends. Later on we will fold it like this, and again and again it will go on like this. From now on, it is going on standard what we did in the back side. I mean, we are making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yarn over, coming here, making 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet like this. Okay, this row is going on till the end. You are coming standard crocheting way from here, and then you are turning back and coming to the front side. I will show you what you are going to do. This is standard. You are coming, turning back, and coming to the front. I will show you what we are going to do. Yes, I came to this end, I turned back, and I am now at the end of like this. After making 5 chains, I am inserting my hook in this first following space. And first of all, I am making my pattern. I mean 2 double crochet firstly, and then 1 chain and 2 double crochet more. This is 1 and this is 2. Later on I will go here, but before going to this space, this time I am making 1 chain. I am doing this in order to make the increasing, in order to make the V shape. I am inserting my hook in this space and firstly making 2 double crochet like this, and then making 1 chain, inserting my hook in the same space and making 2 more double crochet like this. Yes, I came to the end of this row. I made my first increasing with 1 chain. Now I am turning to the back side. I am coming to the center with a slip stitch. I am making 1, 2, 3 chains. I am considering these 3 chains as the first double crochet, inserting my hook in this space, making a double crochet, making 1 chain and making 2 more double crochet in the same space like this. We made 1 chain here between these pattern. We are doing the same thing. I am making 1 chain, going to the other pattern, and I am making my pattern in here. Yes, that's all. In the standard way, I'm coming here and then going back. I will show you again what we are going to do in this increasing place. Yes, I came like this, turned back, and now I am here in the increasing place. I made 5 chains. Firstly, yarn over, I'm inserting my hook here in this pattern. 2 double crochet. Firstly, I'm making 1 chain, 2 double crochet more, you will remember here and here we made 1 chain. Now I am going to make 2 chains. 1, 2, yarn over, inserting my hook in this place and making my pattern, 1 chain, let me show you. It's been like this. You see this V shape started to increase here. I am turning to the other side, coming to the center, inserting my hook here in the space, 1, 2, 3 chains I'm making a double crochet, 1 chain, making 2 more double crochet in this place, 1 chain here, 1 chain here, 2 chain here. Now we are going to make 2 chain. 1, 2, yarn over, going to that place, making the same pattern, 1 chain, inserting my hook here, doing the same thing. Okay, let me explain you what we are going to do from now on, dear friends. We are going here in the same way here with 5 chains between, standard way what we did here, coming like this, coming here again, 1 chain, 1 chain, 2 chains, 2 chains. Now what we are going to do in the upper row, 3 chains. We will go to the upper 3 chains again, and then 4 chains, 4 chains again, and then 5 chains. When you finish one time 5 chains, I will show you what you are going to do. Once again, let me show you. You are increasing this like this: 1 chain, 1 chain, 2 chains, 2 chains, 3 chains, 3 chains, 4 chains, 4 chains, 5 chains. When you finish the row with 5 chains separation here, I will explain you what you are going to do for the next step. First of all, let's finish in the step I explained you. Let's come to the place that we made 5 chains between these two patterns here. 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5, and then I will show you the further step. I came to the row with 5 chains increasing here. Let me explain you. Here I made 1 chain increasing, 1 chain, 2 chains, 2 chains, 3 chains, 3 chains, 4 chains, 4 chains, and let me show you on the other vest. We are here, dear friends. We made this increasing, we made 5 chains increasing, and we are now here. We are going to repeat the same what we did when starting increasing. We are always repeating. This is 1 time increasing, and later on we are making the 2nd time increasing, and the 3rd time increasing. In the end we are doing, but after finishing the 2nd time increasing, we are coming to the armpit space. For this reason, first of all, we have to come to the end of the 2nd time increasing. After making 1 row with 5 chains, I will show you once again how we are going to make this increasing. Let me show you once again. We are here, we made 1 row with 5 chains increasing here. I am turning, coming to the center like this, making the same pattern. It's been like this. Now we are going to make the increasing once again. We are going to repeat this increasing pattern. Where we are starting here. Here, first of all, we are going to make this. I made the pattern 1, and then I am making 1 chain, making 2 double crochet more, like this, and crocheting like this in the standard way, turning back, coming here. Once again I'm going to show you. I came like this, turn back, come here, I made 5 chains. Now I am in the increasing part, inserting my hook in there. First of all, I am making 2 double crochet, 1, 2, making 1 chain, inserting my hook in the same space, and making 2 more double crochet like this. I made my first pattern. Now I am starting increasing. How I am doing this? Making 1 chain, inserting my hook and making the same pattern, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet again, 1, 2. Yes, we are going to same exactly what we did in the first increasing part. Here we are doing the same thing when increasing in the second. We are repeating the increasings. What I mean, I am turning back, inserting my hook in the center, coming there with slip stitches, 1, 2, 3 chains I am making 2 double crochet, firstly considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet, 1 chain, making 2 more double crochet. Okay, we made 1 chain increasing here. We are doing the same thing. 1 chain I am making and making my pattern, it's been like this. First of all, we make these double crochets with spaces. Later on, between these two patterns, I made one chain. When returning, one chain again. Like this, I will come here in the same way, 5 chains always here. Only in the increasing parts the chain amount is changing. Come here, turning back. This time here we are making 2 chains, turning 2 chains again, coming 3 chains, going back 3 chains again, and then 4 chains, 4 chains again, and we are coming to the 5 chains increasing. I will show you what we are going to do, because there is a point here I should show you. Look what we are going. We are increasing, 1 chain increasing, 1 chain, 2 chains, 2 chains, 3 chains, 3 chains, 4 chains, 4 chains, 5 chains. After finishing 5 chains increasing row, we started this increasing pattern again. I mean, we are going to repeat the same, what exactly we did. We are going to do the same things. We made, first of all, these, and then we made 1 chain increasing, 1 chain increasing. We will go, come back, 2 chains, 2 chains, 3 chains, 3 chains, 4 chains, 4 chains, 5 chains, finish 5 chains increasing, come back to the video. I will show you what you are going to do for the next step. I finished the second repeat of the increasing pattern. This is 1 increasing part, this is the second increasing part, this is 5 chains with increasings. I am at the end. Now I am going to make 1 chain and cutting the yarn, dear friends. Yes, I finished the first part. I cut the yarn. We are going to make the same thing for the other side, dear friends. This is one part of the front side. We are going exactly the same for the others. We are starting here, 1, 2, 3 pattern we are making, and then we are doing the increasings in the same way. Here in this pattern, we started here in the first pattern. We are starting again in the same pattern. We will do exactly the same what we did here, and like this we are finishing the front parts in the same way till the armpit. Later on I'm going to explain you what we are going to do for the arm space and how we are going to go on. First of all, what we did in one of the front part, do exactly the same for the other side, dear friends. Later on we will meet again in the video. I finished the both front parts. This is one of the front part, and this is another front part. You know, this is also back part. I am at the end. When we fold it, it's been like this. This is back part, this is front part. This is also the other front part. From now on, we are going to connect this armpit. I am at the end of the second front part. I am making 1 chain and I am cutting the yarn. Yes, I cut the yarn. I will show you how we are going to connect all these 3 parts.